We are sorry to interrupt your programming on WNEP TV. At this time, we bring you a message from the Emergency Alert System. This is not a test. Important details follow. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for Luzerne County, in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated that the thunderstorm which produced an earlier, severe thunderstorm warning was stalled out over Wilkes-Barre. This storm was producing rainfall rates of over 1 inch per hour. In addition, other slow-moving heavy thunderstorms were entering other areas of Luzerne County. Rainfall of 3 to 5 inches is likely by 10:30 p.m. This rainfall will very likely produce flash flooding. Remember, a flash flood warning means that flooding is occurring or is imminent. Do not drive your vehicle where water covers the roadways. The water may be too deep to allow your vehicle safe passage. Be especially careful at night, when it's harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If your vehicle gets caught in rising water, abandon it for higher ground immediately. Please report flooding or heavy rainfall to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-877-633-6772.